Hi friends, welcome to the lecture series of Biostatistics at TechMedBuddy. In this lecture series, I'll be teaching you the fundamental aspects of biostatistics and their application in the domain of health informatics, biomedical sciences, computational biology, and few of the other domains as well. But the first question that we really need to ask is that, what do we mean by biostatistics and what is the need to study this particular subject at all, right? So when we talk about biostatistics, it is made up of two words, bio and statistics. We already know what is bio, right? Like bio means biomedical sciences, right? Whereas statistics, what do we mean by statistics, right? So statistics is what? According to the definition, statistics is one of the branch of mathematics that helps you to collect, store, organize, analyze, and interpret your data set, right? So it's a tool basically which is going to help you analyze a particular data set and draw meaningful inferences from there, right? So here, now we know that in biomedical sciences we generate data sets at a very huge amount nowadays, right? Because of the advancement in technology like sequencer machines and then the different machines generating the vital information data in the ICUs every minute, right? We are generating data at a very huge pace. Few of the examples of data in the field of biomedical sciences are, right, the data coming from the patients, the vital information, the data which we are generating for the different omics, right? For example, like genomics, metabolomics, proteomics, transcriptomics, and all. Then we also have so many different people who generate data with the help of the questionnaires, right? There are so many different experiments which people need to do with the help of the questionnaires, right? So these are few of the examples where we generate the data. Now the point is, why are we generating the data, right? And the answer is just to understand the system, just to understand the biology at a system level, right? So in order to understand the biology at a system level in the data-driven manner, right, we need to have the data. And once we have generated and collected the data, the second point is what? Analyzing them. Organizing and analyzing them. In order to organize and analyze, we need to understand the statistics at a fundamental level, right? And this is all about this particular lecture series where I'm going to take you through the different modules. The complete course has been divided into 6 modules, right? The module 1, I'll be talking about descriptive statistics, okay? Where we're just trying to understand the data at a summary level. The different statistical tools which will help you understand the data at a summary level and drawing meaningful ideas from there. Then we'll go into the module 2 where we'll be talking about data visualization. We know that everything can't be answered with the help of the numbers and we need to show the information in the pictorial representation, about which we'll be talking about in data visualization. Then we also need to understand the different assumptions, the different kinds of distributions, the different kinds of probabilities which the data follows. This is all about the module 3, which is known as the probability and distributions. Then in the module 4, we'll be talking about statistical inference, where we're trying to answer few of the questions like, is there any significant difference between the annual income of India and Pakistan? Or is there any significant difference between the gene expression value of X in condition A and condition B, right? So these kind of the questions are being answered in the field of statistical inference, where we try to answer the questions about the population but using the sample, right? And then the last 2 modules, the complete application based modules, where we're making use of the application of the 4 previous modules, and these are named as regression analysis. Okay, so module 5 is all about regression analysis, where we'll be trying to understand how the equation y is equal to mx plus c works and how is that equation being derived and generated. And in the module 5, the last module, which is one of the most important module and one of my favorite, named as survival analysis, where we are going to understand what was the effect of any particular drug upon the survival of the patients. Was the particular drug efficient enough in order to increase the longevity of the patient or not, right? So this is how the course has been designed, structured, and divided on the different modules. So hope you will be joining this course and Hope to see you there in the coming lectures. Thank you so much.